Did you know it's an offence to willfully obstruct a police constable in the execution of his duty, or anyone who is assisting a constable in the execution of his duty? I'm going to give you some examples in this video so you can watch out for doing these things. Well, first of all, this is a summary-only offence and carries a maximum of 1 month in prison or a level 3 fine. And a person will be obstructing a police constable in the execution of his duty if he makes it more difficult for him to do so deliberately. The obstruction must be willful, which means that the accused person must be doing something or refusing to do something deliberately whilst knowing and intending that this is going to obstruct the police officer from carrying out his duty, although the motive for doing so is irrelevant. Now on to some examples. So if a pub landlord is holding after hours drinks which are not permitted under the licence, but you warn the landlord that the police are about to raid, this would count as obstructing the police constable in the execution of their duty. Equally, warning a person that the police are about to search the premises. If you are the occupier of the house and you prevent the execution of a search warrant, or you refuse to admit constables into the house when they have a right of entry to search under the Road Traffic Act 1988, which is searching to arrest someone whilst they are unfit through drink or drugs, equally in those situations you are obstructing a constable as well. Also, warning other motorists that there's a speed trap ahead. So if you've been flashing your lights to warn someone that there's a speed trap that you've just passed, this is also obstruction of police constable. Many people think that as a motorist or someone being questioned by the police that you can just give a false name, but someone who persists in giving a false name is also obstructing a constable. Equally, any other witness who is giving a false name or address. If you are in the car whilst being stopped by the police and then you claim that you were driving even though you weren't, this would likely amount to obstruction as well. And there are several situations where you could be guilty of an offence of wasting police time. So if you want to see that one, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.